Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make column or rows the same size in Microsoft Excel. So we can see we have some different size for column and rows. So to make same size, click this corner triangle. Now adjust your size. Now click anywhere. Make same size properly. Click this triangle, and once you adjust for any column, you will see the pixel like 100 pixel or 97 pixels. Similar that 97 pixel for rows. So now we have this 100 size for rows and columns. Select this triangle, right click on it, any rows or columns, then click on column width. So here make 15, then click on OK. Now right click on row height. So this is the way guys you can make same size rows and column in Excel. Thanks for watching.